What's up guys? Today we're going over our Hydro line of ceramic products. Now HydroCharge is a ceramic in a sprayable form. Now we've taken all the properties of a sprayable solution and combined it with the power of ceramic to create an easy to use ceramic that you can spray and apply to your vehicle. Now a product like HydroCharge, you still want to make sure to wash, clay bar, and polish your paint from any kind of imperfections in order to have the best results. Now with HydroCharge, it's going to deliver an amazing jaw-dropping ceramic shine, and it's also going to deliver intense hydrophobic properties to your paint. So it's going to sheet contaminants and water like no problem, and nothing is going to stick to your paint, which makes it the perfect product for the ultimate paint protection and shine. Now HydroSlick is ceramic coating hyper wax. Now this right here is a super easy to use product. It goes on just like a wax, which most of you guys are familiar with. So it's a super easy to use product, and you can also apply it to not only paint, but glass, glossy wheels, metal, chrome, headlights, taillights, and much more. And same thing, whenever you're applying the ceramic, you want to make sure that you do wash the car, clay bar, and polish any imperfections prior to applying the coating. All right, so now that you have your ceramic coating on your vehicle, now you want to maintain that amazing shine and protection of your coating. Now, HydroSuds is a ceramic car wash soap. So it combines ceramic and the properties of a car wash soap to give you a nice, clean, lubricated, and safe wash that's going to prevent you from installing scratches and swirls on your vehicle, whilst also giving your coating a boost of SiO2 shine and protection. So it's the perfect way to maintain your ceramic coating in terms of shine and protection to ensure that your coating has the best longevity and performance. And if you don't have a ceramic coating on your vehicle, not to worry, because HydroSuds actually works out with or without a coating. So if you don't have a coating on your vehicle, you can still use it on your paint and achieve that amazing ceramic shine and give it a boost of SiO2 protection. And to maintain in between washes, you can use a product like our HydroSpeed. Now HydroSpeed is one of our newest in the Hydro line, which is very convenient because it's a ceramic quick detailer. So this product is super easy to use. All you have to do is spray it on the surface and wipe right off with the microfiber towel, and you're done. And this right here is going to boost the shine and protective properties of your coating whilst maintaining the longevity of it and ensuring that it has its best performance possible. You can also use HydroSpeed as a standalone form of protection for your vehicle. And that brings us to our HydroThread ceramic fabric protectant and stain repellent. Now we've designed HydroThread to work on interior fabrics and upholstery. So what is it going to do? Well, it's going to provide you with a durable hydrophobic layer on your interior fabrics, which is going to repel a lot of liquids from permeating the surface and staining. So it's going to create a hydrophobic layer which is going to prevent you from stains from accidental spills. So if you drop water on it, maybe have some kids in the backseat with juice, or maybe you drop your coffee on your way to work, well, HydroThread is going to act as a repellent so that those liquids don't permeate through your fabrics. And finally, we have Hydro Interior. Now, Hydro Interior is a ceramic interior quick detailer. So you can use a product like Hydro Interior to quickly wipe down your interior from light dust, debris, fingerprints, body oils, food stains, and much more, whilst also leaving behind a ceramic layer of protection. So Hydro Interior not only does it clean, but it also delivers an OEM factory matte finish look on your interior surfaces, whilst also layering a coat of ceramic SiO2 protection so that your interior surfaces are protected against those harsh UV rays. It's super easy to use. It's a spray and wipe solution, so spray on your microfiber towel, wipe your interior surfaces, and you're on your way to a nice and clean interior. All right guys, and that pretty much wraps it up. As you guys saw, we have ceramic based products for exterior, and we also have some for interior, which pretty much gives you the best of both worlds as far as shine and the durable protection that you're looking for your ride. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until then, we'll see you guys next time.